Someone requested I do a remake of my power saving video, or how to turn off the steam boiler. So what I was doing is I was removing the drip tray, which is it's a little awkward, especially if it's full of water. Or if you're plumbed in, I think it would also be hard because you got the you got the plumbing. So to reach the steam on-off switch on my old machine, it was just on the external part, but this one's kind of hidden underneath the drip tray. So I thought you have to lift the drip tray. A lot of people don't realize that you can actually just reach under. It's easier if you don't have a wall right beside the machine, and there you go. That's on, and you can see the light is on, and this is off. It's a little awkward, especially if you have a wall right beside your machine, but yeah, I can manage, and that way you're more likely to be okay with wanting to save power and turning it off when you're not using it instead of having to remove the drip tray. I found I'd just leave it on more often because it was a little bit more of a hassle to get to the switch. And yeah, you don't have to worry about accidentally hitting this one because this is, you're not going to accidentally reach that unless you have some alien fingers, but no. Also, a lot of people don't realize there's a little holder for this. This looks like it needs to be washed, but I just leave it underneath the machine. I can easily access it from over there. As long as it's dry, I just put it back there, and yeah, I mean, you could also do the same thing where you reach under and knock it. That just seems more difficult. Yeah.